Sreekanth Nalagarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing.
Okay na. So in the last class we are discussing in Firefox browser how to work with, but now today we will start a discussion IE browser. Okay, so we'll go for the IE browser, how we can work with IE browser. Yes, minimize this. So we are going for the IE browser. So working with the IE browser, same in Firefox browser we are working, but now today IE browser we are working. Yes, same test case I'm planning to go for the IE browser, same test case. See, I can create like this. One test case, one class I'm creating, WebDriver class, right click, okay, and new class I'm creating. Class name I'm giving IE browser, okay. Main method I'm giving and finish it. Now see, when it's coming to this one, now start creating browser opening. So what is a browser opening? Yes, this is a browser opening. WebDriver. This we can go for that WebDriver. See importing, automatically importing. See, when you can type WebDriver and control space, now enter, it's coming automatically. See, observe once again. See, WebDriver, I can type it, control space, and this is a coming first one, then enter. So that will be importing automatically. Now I can give the space, again control space. You can go for the reference driver or WebDriver, whatever. So I am giving the driver equal to new. Now I can write the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer driver. So this is we can write Internet Explorer driver. This is I can write it here. So control space Internet Explorer driver. Now see, it is importing also. See, to open the browser, to open the IE browser, this is a, you can follow the statement WebDriver. So WebDriver is an interface. So that interface methods can implement it into this class also. So object reference we are creating. When you want to test your web application by using IE browser, then you can go for the, this is the statement opening. Okay, now save it. Then I want to click on run button. Now see, when I can open the browser, IE browser, it will giving some error messages. Same, see, in the last class Firefox browser purpose we have some error. Same error is coming. The path to the driver executable must be set driver webdriver.ie.driver system property. This is we need to set it. So if you want to set like that, same how we are downloading exe file, same manner IE browser also we have the exe file. Okay, so go for here and downloads. Yes, downloads. When we can go for the downloads, go for below. Here browsers is there. In this browser you have IE. So this is a IE is there. In this IE you can go for the click on the configure. Now when you are click on the configure, now start the showing which browser you want to go for that. See, downloaded. So this is a executable and click on that. Now it will be showing. Yes, it will be showing which version you are related. That's how you can download. What is the which version means? See, your WebDriver jar file is a version related to which version? Yes, 3. Yes, 141. This is a version. Same related you want to download. This is a 3. Yes, this is a 3.141. This is a version. You want to click it link. Now here you have so many files, but here what you can download instance, this is 32-bit. This is a 64-bit. You can download this one. This one you can download, or you can download this one, because of this is a version only we have. Okay na. So this is a version only we have. So we can go for the this one only. Understood? So I can go for that. Click on this. Yes, click on this one. Okay, this is a, we can go for that. This is the 32-bit one now. See, a WebDriver your version is 3.1. That same version related only you can download it. This is the 32 version. No? This is a 64-bit version. So I'm going for the 64-bit version. I'm click this and start downloading. Yes, save. When I'm saving, now it's downloaded here. See, saving and open containing folder, and this I can copy. Yes, I can copy this. So in my D drive already I can paste it. New Selenium download. This is I can paste it. Now here this is a file, extract it. Same last class what we are doing for the get jar files. Firefox, same exe file is coming. Same this exe file, copy and paste to select the root folder and paste it here. When paste it, now it's coming to like this. So it's coming to like this. Okay, now problem is solved. Save it. Now see, if we go for this one, yes, click on run. Now if you click on run button, now IE browser is open. But you in your system must be install the IE browser. Must be install the IE browser. Are you clear? So this is we can go for that. Okay, so this is we can go for that in this manner only. So this is we'll go for the our application. Understood? Right, this is a browser is open, but in this browser you want to open particular application. Same driver dot method is same. Driver dot get method you can give to the URL. What's the URL? You can give http colon, and now I can write as a like google.com, for example, google.com. I can write it. What is the URL you require? That URL you can give it. That's it. Okay, it's not only Facebook, not only particular. Your which application you are planning to test, that application URL you can give it. Yes, it's coming. Now it's going for the Google. Now so open the Google page. Now see, so open the Google page. Yes, so open the Google page only. Okay, this is we can call as a Google page we are opening. It's a IE browser related. It's IE browser. Yes, this is a IE browser related. We can go for that. Clear? Click on the settings. Now see, this is about Internet Explorer. Okay, so this is IE browser. Like that you can open also. Understood? So in this manner you can go for the IE browser purpose. You can simple same WebDriver driver equal to new Internet Explorer driver. Just this is a class name you want to change it. See, before you are giving to the WebDriver equal to new Firefox driver. This is the class name. So this will be open the Firefox browser, and what is the URL you are giving, that will be load into the current browser only. Okay, but if you come into the here Internet Explorer, so it's open. But if you open the browser, you must be download the exe file. You must be go for the exe file. What is the exe file? This is a exe file. You can go for that. Understood? This is a exe file. We can go for that. So when we can go for this exe file, and then only Internet Explorer also working. This is we are calling as a how to work with the different browsers. In same manner, right click, new class. Now I can go for the Chrome browser. Finish it. Chrome browser. Same Chrome browser also same thing. We can open. Okay. See, this is we can go for WebDriver. Yes. Driver equal to yes. New Chrome browser. This is I can write it. This is I can write it. See, this is coming importing automatically. Sorry, Chrome driver. It's not browser. Chrome driver. You can go for that. Is coming importing. This is the way you must be import. I told how to import a control space. Now it's coming and double click is importing. This is also control space is coming, double click or enter, whatever is coming. So now you should open the browser. See, same problem is coming. Every browser same problem is coming. See, the path to the see when you are seeing this error, what's the meaning of that? You want to set the proper that exe file. You want to set it. How we can set it? Same thing. Before we are going for the IE browser related, now I can go for the yes, this is IE browser related. Now I can go for the browsers. Yeah, same this website, and I'm clicking the download, then it's coming to here browsers, expand the browser. Now I can go for the Firefox, then I can go for the Chrome. See Chrome, this is a Chrome related document. I can click on that documentation. Now you can start download here. See, this is the available downloads, and click on this one. Yes, click this one. Yes, say downloads is there. Now this is a support for 83 version. Okay, for example, in my Chrome browser, which version is there? I want to check it first of all. See, this is my Chrome browser. I'm opening Chrome browser. In this Chrome browser, what is my version? Yeah, so first to right click, I want to add it to, okay, I can go for that here. What's that? Help. Yeah, see about Chrome, Google Chrome. So what is my version? I want to see what is my version. 70 version. Okay, this is a version we have. Chrome, that's I'm planning to go for that related manner. Okay, let's discuss here. See here, what is this version? Chrome driver 83 point for that, but that will be supporting for which version? We'll check it. Yes, see, this is a version can support for Chrome. This is if you are using this one, okay, 8 like that. Okay, I can go for the old version. My version is 70, right? My Chrome browser is 70. Okay, yeah, this 79 version. Okay, we can go for below. Yes, 77 version. This compatibility must, compatibility is okay, must required, otherwise it throws the errors. Okay, now it's coming to 71, and this is coming to the 70 version. This is a 70 version. Okay, okay, fine, not supporting. Okay, this is a 72 version, it will be supported. 70 it will be supported. Okay, fine. I can go for not this our version 2.46, not this version. 73 version, this is a supporting, maybe we'll go for that. Click that. Now see, this is you can download. Yes, your system is operating system is Linux, your operating system is Mac, your operating system is Windows, but here no Windows 32-bit to 64-bit, only one is 32-bit only, no 64-bit. In 64-bit also 32-bit you can use it also. Okay, click on that, save it. Now it's a downloading. Yes, now open this and copy that, and you can store into, yeah, you can store into your D drive. Yes, D drive. Here we can download it. Yes, this is we can copy paste here. Yes, this is a copy paste, and you can extract this one. Yeah, extracted, and one exe file is coming. Copy paste that one. Copy and paste to your project. Look, same thing every browser. If you face path problem, now it's coming to like this. Select the root path, paste it. Now it's coming to here. This is the coming. Mostly save it and run it. Now see, check it. Chrome browser is open. Yeah, this is a Chrome browser is open only. This is a maximizer, you can do it also. Chrome browser is, yes, this is fine, right? Okay, then I want to go for here in the Chrome browser, what you are enter, then same nothing, methods are same only. Driver dot get method is the same, but class is different. Which class? That we can use it the reference. So http colon, now I can go for that here, facebook.com, facebook.com. This is a, I can go for here. Understood? So in this manner I can write the facebook.com. Now see, try to open this one. Click run button. Any browser, same procedure is same. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. That's only. But class name, which browser you require that related, you can go for the class name only. So that's how we can go for it. Observe here, this browser is like this a minimized manner. I want to go for maximized. That's also we can done by using coding only. See, this is open. Browser is open. Now see, now I can write driver dot manage dot we can go for the window dot maximize. This is I can write. When you can write like this maximize, now that browser is maximizing position is coming. See, click that. Any browser same. If you want to maximize any browser, same thing only. Yeah, it's maximizing. Then is enter the URL. See, this is all. Any browser, same procedure. If you want to open and maximize the IE browser, same statement, nothing difference. Same statement you want to write it. Same statement. What is the statement? This is whatever you are giving the reference here. Same thing you can write it. Yes, don't fix it for driver. Okay, don't fix it for driver. You can write like this also and like this also. Okay, so you can write a driver, then go for the driver. If you go for WD, go for the WD. So that one. Okay, driver dot means WebDriver reference dot manage window maximize. This is the way you can go for the maximize the window only. If you want to close yes, driver dot close driver dot quit only. This is we can call as a okay how we can work with multiple browsers. Okay na, so I am showing for 3 browsers. Okay na, and Safari browser, Opera browser also almost same only, not almost the same only. Okay na, but in my system there is no Safari browser, there is no Opera browser. That's the reason I am not showing. If want to go for the Safari browser and Opera browser, same thing. That's a related is there. That's a related you have. That's you can go for that only. Nothing special. Selenium dot dev.com dev okay website, and go for download or above download you can go for that. And this is a browser. So then you want to go for working with Safari browser and Opera browser. If problem is coming, now go for these links, documents, then download related version and copy paste like that only, then it will be working only. So this is we are giving Selenium have the capability to test your web application. In IE browser it can open and test, Chrome browser it can open and test, Safari any browser, that's a 5 browsers it can open and test also. So this is we can go for the Selenium supports the multiple browsers. Clear? So this is a latest version. We can use 3.14.1 and 5.9. This is a version we are using only. Clear all of you? So this is a we can go for that.
Sreekanth Nalagarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing. So I'm doing the Selenium videos step by step, or all the videos I'm uploading into my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and share it and comment. And please comment, sir, upload. Sir, we are interested. So please upload. So if you comment, so I can understand. So I can go for the every concept very detailed manner, and up to frameworks I can upload the Selenium classes.